In this video, we will see how to fix if your computer automatic restart after shutdown on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you shut down your computer and automatic restart, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows Search, type View Advanced System Settings, open the appeared result, View Advanced System Settings. Here System Properties Windows will now open. Here go to Startup and Recovery section and click on Settings. Here you will find Setup, Startup and Recovery page. Here make the under System Failure Automatic Restart. Uncheck this feature. If you found it in checked, then unchecked Automatically Restart feature, and finally click on Apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your computer is still restarting after shutdown. Then go to the next fixes. The one more workaround is open control panel in your system. Here go to power options. Here from the left side, click on choose what the power button do. Thereafter click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on it, and under shutdown settings, turn on fast startup. Disable this feature. Uncheck this feature, turn on fast startup, and click on save changes. And check whether your problem resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here under available device driver, go to network adapter section and find out your network adapter section. Right click on it and choose properties, either Realtek gaming or any other Realtek option. Here go to power management and uncheck the feature in this option. It will gray out, allow this device to bake the computer. So close the windows and go to the next driver. Right click on it, choose properties, and go to power management section and allow this device to wake the computer. Uncheck this feature and click on OK to save the changes. That's all.